Hi, I'm David Smith. I love senior housing, and I love people like you who are involved in helping senior adults make the difficult decision to move. Eventually, my experience in sales and sales management led my partner Alex Fisher and I to form Sherpa, a company dedicated to providing the senior housing industry with the most intuitive and sophisticated sales conversion tool. Here's the key to converting prospects into buyers. Spend more time with fewer prospects. Some things just take time, like having a baby, growing an orchard, baking a cake. Senior housing sales are no different. It takes time to make emotional connections, to build trust, to help prospects through their own fears so that they can get ready to buy. There's a common industry reliance on the number of new leads, call-outs, and tours as predictive indicators of success. However, while each of these activities typically does happen before a prospect closes, data from more than 1,000 of our Sherpa users now demonstrates that having more inquiries or doing more call-outs and more tours simply does not drive or necessarily lead to or cause better sales results. What the data does show is that the more time that is invested in the selling zone, direct sales activity with each prospect, the more likely it is that they will eventually move in. More time with fewer leads drives better results. Depth trumps breadth. Top sellers focus on building deeper relationships with fewer customers rather than casting a wide net of shallow engagements. In fact, even though they interact with fewer accounts, they're able to spend more time with each one that they interact with. There's no getting around getting to know people. Purposeful planning and personalized creative follow-up have the greatest impact on sales performance. The senior housing industry's belief in the practice of increasing sales velocity with more calls and more tours is misplaced. Trust me, it's all about time. To be continued.